Hello everyone. USCIS announced a new design for tamper-resistant cards for Form I-551 or Permanent Resident Card, also called Green Cards, and for Form I-766 Employment Authorization Documents or EAD. USCIS began issuing the redesigned card on January 30, 2023. Now, some permanent resident cards and employment authorization cards issued after January 30, 2023 may still display the old existing design format. Doesn't matter. Both versions of the cards are acceptable for Form I-9, Employment Eligibility Verification, and for E-Verify. All employment authorization and permanent resident cards remain valid until the expiration date that is noted in the actual card. Some permanent resident cards that are older don't even have expiration dates. These older permanent resident cards remain valid. The newly designed cards include holographic images on the front and on the back of the cards, and a design that is integrated into a tactile or dimension printing. Holders of an older valid green card that lack an expiration date are also being encouraged to apply for replacements to prevent fraud or tampering, or in the case that the card becomes lost or stolen. For more information regarding the new cards, how to obtain permanent residence in the United States, or how to obtain employment authorization, call us. We're here to help.